Are you a YouTuber who's looking for a professional to edit your gaming videos to make your life easier? Well, guess what? You're in the right place. My name's Tony Allen and I'm the owner of a Prince's Trust award-winning company known as Supervids. And today what we want to do with you guys is we want to give you an example of how we can edit your gaming videos to make you look as good, if not better, than your favorite YouTubers. After reading through the comments of our previous video, we found that many of you are looking for edits for your gaming videos. All it takes is for you to get in contact with us and let us know exactly what you were looking for, or roughly an idea of what type of edits you were looking for with your video. We do this officially via our website, but you can also do this via our Facebook page. Once you have done this, we will then begin proceedings, and the way we do this is you give us your clips of your gaming footage and we get down to business. We collect a little bit of information, for example an email and where to send your final finished video, and then once the video is completed, we then send that through to your email so that you can upload it to your YouTube channel. So let's look at an example of the type of editing we do when we're editing your gaming videos for your YouTube channel. So let's say you've got a green screen set up. I know my lighting's really bad. It's because I'm holding the screen in front of my face. But let's say you've got a green screen set up and you want just the green screen behind you while you're playing your game. This would be how I would present that without the green screen being keyed out. But with the green screen keyed out, it would look a little bit something like this. And this is what it looks like when we've keyed out your green screen, and just like your favourite YouTubers, you can see yourself on the side of the screen. You won't have to do any of this, we will do this for you, so you don't have to worry about green screen when it comes to your gaming videos.
Choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to.
So there you have it, guys. That is a quick example of the type of techniques and editing we use on your video when we're editing a gaming video for your channel. There is a lot more that we can actually do and what we are capable of. So do not hesitate to get in touch with us today so that we can edit your gaming footage. You'll be surprised and shocked about how amazing your video will look. If you have absolutely any questions about this service or what we're doing for YouTubers like yourself, then hit us up in the comment section below. We will have a conversation with you guys. We don't actually blank anybody, even if you're trolling us. We like to have a little bit of fun in the comment section as well, because we like to keep an open dialogue. So if you'd like to comment down below to talk about this service, I like to keep to the subject matter. So if you do that, I'll know that you'll be serious and actually interested in the service that we have. So let's start winning on YouTube together. With SuperVid's help, you will be, if not better than the YouTubers you look up to. So let's go, let's get at it.